Hello. What's up, people? Once again, I came with a new video, and it's not in Karnataka, it's in Tamil Nadu. The place name is Jalagamparai. It's a waterfall, and you will see one temple will be there. And if possible, we will find some other places. आमे जमती कहितलु जे नुआ वर्ष रे किछ नुआ करिवु तो मु भाबिली सबु तो आमे टेंपल गले फॉर माय व्यूअर्स देखो टेंपल छडा आउ किछ हबो कि so I have selected one place. This is called Jalagamparai. It's in Tamil Nadu state. Okay, so if you are interested, you can come from Bangalore. It's Bangalore. It's 155 kilometers. And but I have selected from in the middle. Like I have selected one place like Mokundapulli, where is my bro staying there. So I have invited him, and he said, "Okay, bro, we can go visit and visit the place." आउ जहाँ कहबो केवल मो भाई कहबो से कारण से विषय जानि छ अधिका लागुची कारण से आसीथिबो कि नै मु जानिनी तो से ही कहबो शंकर कोन तोर व्यू आ कहि जा हाय भाई हैप्पी पोंगल हाय फ्रेंड्स हैप्पी पोंगल मकर संक्रांति तो भाई तमिलनाडु आछि त मते कहि ना तमिलनाडु आछि तत्ते कोन डाकी नल हबो तो केमती कोन को आउ जहाँ तो देखी भल लगुच कारण आज तो पोंगल संक्रांति रे भल लागुच न कारण ए जगह ही एमते होइछे आपण आसी जाय माने माइंड पूरा फ्रेश हे जिवो ग्रीनरी आउ शंकर हम फाइंड करले जे ग्रीनरी बहुत राइट तो चलन तो देखिया जदि हमें पहाड़ को जिबा और अधिक किछ जिंस मिलियो राइट एठी कारण देखिया पे बहुत जगह अछि एमते न खाली वाटरफॉल टेंपल मध्ये अछि सेठी बडा शिवलिंगम मध्ये अछि देखिया पे बहुत जिंस अछि तो फिर जीवा हाँ so let's go yes come finally reached here that place called Jalagamparai. I think you can see the top hill view and the temple which is backside of me, and like what I said for reaching bus facility also there, like you have to come from the Hosur, you have to come to Hosur, then from Hosur you can take bus like I think from Hosur to they will take 100 kilometers. So from Yelagiri, once you reach Yelagiri, from right side you have to take the diversion, and from there 37 kilometers from Yelagiri to Jalagamparai. And I heard once I reached here, I heard like water is not there, so better to come in rainy season for enjoy the bath in the waterfall. And I think it's a nice view. पूरा जदि हमें पहुँचे once ताहले हमें टॉप वैली आराम से देखि पारे जोटा कि बहुत भल लागिवो तो चलो तो देखा मत तो भल लगुच हिल टॉप आउ शंकर आउ तू तो माने हम शंकर पचारे जे लोकल गाइड जन को से कहले जे कौन पानी को सीजन पानी पचारि बुझिले जे एठो एही समय पानी आसार चांस ही ना वर्षा समय आसले पानी आपण माने गाधया सुविधा मिलियो तापरे वाटरफॉल रो मजा मध्ये आसीबो तो आमे रॉन्ग टाइम रे आसी जाचो तो किछ असुविधा ना आमे बाकी जहाँ मध्य अच्छी सब कवर करने चेष्टा कर
appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
and subscribe my channel. And also if you want any nearest places of your like locality, like in Bangalore and somewhere also if you thinking ki I will go and explore the place, so please comment down on this video so that next time I will try to explore those places. Thank you. Thanks for watching.